Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can use Canva to create professional and eye-catching infographic posts for LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for personal branding and professional growth, and visuals content like infographics can significantly increase reach reach, and visibility. In this video, I will walk you step by step through the complete process of designing LinkedIn ready infographics using Canva. You will also learn how to choose the right dimensions, select professional templates, customize colors, fonts, and organize information clearly, and design posts that look clean, modern, and credible. I will also share tips on creating infographics. So let's do it. So right now we are at the website of the Canva. You can just simply click on this create button, and here you can write LinkedIn infographics. Okay, and you can select for the infographic for the first one, or you can also choose the second one. It's up to. So let's go with the infographic, the digital one. It's the standard one. Okay, so I've just selected it, and now I will show you the multiple templates, how you can select them and how you can customize each and everything within these posts. So on the left side you will see a lot of templates. You can choose the best one templates that according to your business. So let's choose this one. So as you can see, this is the template that we have selected, and now we can make changes to these templates as well. So you just have to simply double tap on it and it will be able to edit. Okay, so let's zoom in, and here you can do multiple changes like I do LinkedIn info. Okay, so I have written this. You can just simply expand the text to align it. Okay, and you can also change the colors, like let me show you. Let's do this, and that's how you can also add this photo, change the photos. Okay, so that's how basically you use this feature, Canvas feature, to create infographics for the LinkedIn. And you can do each and everything. You can customize these photos, you can delete them, and you can even upload them by clicking this upload button. So that's how basically you use Canva for creating LinkedIn infographics, and it's very attractive, and it will definitely give you a boost to your business because they have multiple attractive sales generating infographic posts. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.